How to add HTML code in WordPress. So go to WordPress, then go to your dashboard. On the left side, click on the Pages section, then look for the page where you will put the HTML code in. Once you find the page, just click the three dots icon on the right of it, then click Edit. After that, wait for your selected page to load in. Now click Anywhere. This will prompt a plus icon to appear. Just click the plus icon, then search and select the option Custom HTML. Then on the text box, just type or paste in your HTML code. Then click Update on the top right to save, then preview to save if it works. So that is how to add HTML code in WordPress. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.